crunchy and tasty with a munching sound. B is for ball, bounce it high, up, up, up into the sky. C is for cat, purring away, sleeping in the sun all day. D is for dog, wagging its tail, chasing its bone down the trail. E is for elephant, big and gray, splashing water while it plays. F is for fish, swimming fast, swish, swish, swish as it zooms past. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat, nibbling leaves for a leafy treat. H is for hat, wear it on your head, yellow or blue or bright red. I is for igloo, icy and cold, a snowy house with stories told. J is for jaguar, running so fast, through the jungle speeding past. K is for kite, flying so high, dancing gently in the sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar, hear it echo from the jungle floor. N is for moon, shining bright, lighting up the sky at night. N is for nest, cozy and round, where baby birds are safe and sound. O is for octopus with arms all around, 8 wiggly legs on ocean ground. P is for penguin, sliding with glee, waddling around so happily. Q is for queen with a shiny crown, waving to all in her royal gown. R is for rainbow, color so bright, red to violet, what a sight. S is for sun, warm and yellow, smiling down on every fellow. T is for train, chugging along, toot 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 in our ABC song. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry when raindrops fall from the sky. E is for violin, playing a tune, soft and sweet like a lullaby soon. O is for whale, splashing in the sea, singing a song so joyfully. X is for a xylophone, ding ding ding, colorful bars that we can ping. Y is for yo-yo, up and down, spinning fast and spinning round. Z is for zebra, black and white, running in stripes, a funny sight. Now we sang our ABCs, with apples, balls, and honey bees. Let's sing again, sing and play, learning letters every day.